Ubingelele baba udokotela baba wesizwe baba uJabulile umfana omuhle njengekhehlela umzulu amancengesi. Namhlanje we are doing our shootings. Siyashutha namhlanje na baba udokotela useThekwini. Siyabonga ke isupport esinayo esithola kunina. Sibonga abantu abasharisha ama video ethu. Siyabonga ke ubaba udokotela umelaphi ndabo ngisebhilidini ekuthiwa iNedbank House Building. Nedbank House Building. Namhlanje sizothatha ithuba elihle ukuthi sinenzele ama video ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo. Ngine topic namhlanje ethi vala mazibuko. Kunomuthi esibiza ukuthi uvala amazibuko. Vala amazibuko. Yeah, bakithi, this is Babu Dokotela. It happened that I had to travel to Malawi. When I was in Malawi, I was at Lilongwe. From Lilongwe, I went to Mzuzu. From Mzuzu, I went to Jawela. At Mzuzu, it's whereby I met hlangana nodokotela abahlukahlukene. I met different doctors. Some of them, they were from southern part of Malawi. Some of them, they said they're from South Africa. But I met a guy, his name is Dr. Kindowe. Just now, I would like to engage him, put him on the phone. Let's hear what he says. Yena siza ngaya bantu. He's from Malawi. If he's from Malawi, where about in Malawi? If he's from Malawi, what language does he speak? Because amashangane lapha namanga isikhathi esiningi. Bonke abantu bakhuluma isichichewa, nongaqhamuke eMalawi ukhuluma isichichewa. Abasesibambela ukuthi banamanga labantu. Then ake sibuke ke sizothola ke uDr. Kindowe. uDr. Kindowe from Kraaifontein. Dr. Kraaifontein, address yakhe it number 16 kodwa bla 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 sizoke sinike ithuba simkhulumise sibone sizokwazi ukuthi simthole I wish we can get him now. His phone is ringing now. Let's see if we can't get him, then he's no longer valid to us. If we cannot get him, he's no longer valid to us. Yeah, let's see if we can get him. Trust that we can get him. Oh, it's ringing. Let's see if it's ringing.
Hello.
Hi, Dr. Kindowe.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, how you spell your surname? Is it Kandowe or Kindowe?
It's Kondowe.
Oh, Kondowe in isiZulu, call it Kondowe.
Yeah, Kondowe.
Oh, Kondowe.
Yeah.
Okay, talk to me. Where about in Johannesburg are you?
I'm here in Midrand Kraaifontein side.
Or Midrand in Kraaifontein side?
Kraaifontein. K-double-A.
Oh, Kraaifontein. Yeah, we call it Kraaifontein. Okay, I understand. In Malawi, where are you in Malawi?
In Malawi, I'm from Karonga, Thabelo side.
Karonga in Thabelo side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what language do they speak there?
That side we speak Tumbuka most of the time, but
Okay.
we are Ngondi.
Oh.
Ngondi.
Okay. Oh, you're Ngoni by tribe, but you speak Karonde.
Yeah, most of the
you
places
speak-
in Karonga we speak Tumbuka.
You speak Tumbuka.
Tumbuka is the number one language which we use in northern province.
Which means at school you studied or you learned Tumbuka, not Chichewa.
In school, Chichewa is our national language.
Okay.
Yeah, Chichewa is our national language. The whole Malawi, we speak Chewa.
Chewa.
As if here we honor it Zulu.
Yes.
Eh,
Okay, talk to me. Since you are doing traditional medicine, we met in Malawi, but I said I'll need to come and visit you. Then I visited your place. Now I know where you are. Now I'm exposing you to my followers that are listening as we are talking now. A person who may be coming to you, what kind of a person that they normally come? If they come for what?
Okay, I've got stuff like I'm having this financial problem.
Yes.
There are people who say they are broke. Now we are helping them according to their wishes. Now we got this luck. There are people who are blocked. They don't have luck since they got papers, they got whatever is necessary. But for them to have a job or for them to have something on the table, they are failing. So we are doing our magic so that they became normal and they got luck so that they will.
Okay.
We got protection that these people who are doing this security thing, in this country there is people that are being killed by knives, they are being killed by guns.
Yes,
So
yes,
we
yes.
are also helping them so that they get protected. And these things we try same time. If I give you this thing, at the same time, I try so that to prove that we are protected.
Okay.
I got cases, people who got case.
Or court cases.
As they call the court cases, yeah.
Yes.
I'm also helping them so that they end up winning the case.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
also doing this lot of things.
Okay.
That,
To me, your accent sounds like you are more like Zimbabwean. Can you say something in Tumbuka so that we will catch you if you are lying? Because we don't trust people.
no, let me go to my language.
Yeah, go to your language, yes.
Yeah, ndine habe kondo makwanyungwe Tavio side. Nilikuno ku Johannesburg, Midrand Catholic side.
Yes.
Ine mkhalira kuwiranga masuzu ya pambana
Yes.
financial problems vachimai na futi kuti vanhu vatetezeki kuti chimai chitonde kunjira patupu pavo.
Yes.
Court cases kuti vanhu vawinengi mirango mumakoti umu yamwai vanje varikupabisa namwai vanje vasapabisa namwai kwetu kwachapa kuti mpaka vaina mwai mtuku mwavo valoto hivi maboso tikuvwira ngaso chomeni kuti vanhu vaine loto vawinengi loto manambers varotenge. Then parikuwedzeresa vachitema wako vachitema parari kuchimbira kuti awedzeswa iwe within 7 days vachitema uyu uye kuti uri naye that 7 days kwacha kuti mukwara kupanga pa 3 days then kulindiza kwa mazuva 4 ndo vachitema uyu kuyanga naye akuwedzeranga kwa iwe.
Okay, now I can hear you that you are fluent in Tumbuka. Tell us, if a person wanted to come to you, which days are you working, which days you are not working? Sometimes you go to church or something, I don't know.
Yeah, I do work on starting from Monday to Saturday.
Okay.
But sometimes Sunday I can also work. It's according to appointment which we are having.
Yes.
But as I say, Sunday I'm a little bit busy, but it's around 8 till 11 o'clock.
Okay.
And this afternoon hours I'll be free.
Okay, what is the number that a person can use in order to call you?
Yeah, I'm using telecom number.
Yes.
It's 069
Yes.
18
Yes.
72
Yes.
181.
Okay, let me repeat it. It's 069 187 2181.
Yeah, that's my number.
That's your number.
We're talking to Happy Kondowe.
Half Kondowe, what was it?
Happy Kondowe.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Dr. Kondowe, thank you very much for this interview, although I was a little bit disappointed. What is wrong with your network there?
Here, this side, there's no, it's load shedding.
Oh, load shedding.
So, yeah, since yesterday we experienced it from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night.
Is it?
Now it's this morning.
Oh, sure. Okay, no. It's all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Okay, beautiful. Babu Dokotela, lana besikhuluma baba engithi ngahlangana naye ngise Malawi. Baningi abantu ohlangana nabo lapha bazeza abantu abawo happy person kanti bafuna ukubamba inkonzo yabo. Then enye into ufuna phela uyibone into engekho right. Yabona ile Kraaifontein angaza ngiyibone indawo embi kangaka mina. Hey, ungathi kuhlala amashangane lapha. Ngathi yabona la ndawo. Ngitheme ngifika kuyona uma uthunjiwe bezokufaka ebhuthini bakudedele bathi ise Mozambique lapho ngathi khona. Ungathi semashanganeni yabo lento oyibona ko Nigeria into efana naleyo nje kugcwele kubhizo omunye uyale omunye uphendula omunye uyale ya imbili yandawo yabo shemimbi angazi bazoyithinjwa bengasena ngisho gesi benelo shading thina singenalo shading sathi igcini le nto le kona baselelo shading ya ngisho ukuthi ke abantu ke bebe abanye kana ngani khipha inamba ka Dr. Msinga lo le bafika abantu bathi bafuna ukuya khona now ngifuna ukuni expose ke futhi koseduzana rather than ukuthi siloku sinithumela ukuthi hambani le but I'm not sending you kuyena kenzela ukuthi uma uyile kuyena uye at your own risk at your own capacity anything enikhulumile it ends up there. Angifuni story ngoba nina i-tendency banabantu i-tendency story kusesinina abantu banayo i-tendency ukuthi ngibe ne-guest la umuntu akhulume ne-guest la bavumelane bodwa eceleni emva kwalokho. That is a civil matter. Deal with him according to your attorneys, not with Babu Dokotela. Babu Dokotela is not a legal representative. Because this is a civil matter. You and that person, nivumelene. You were not physically robbed. You see? Thereafter, I'm excluding myself completely by 99.9%. I've got nothing to do with Dr. Kandowe. You go there at your own capacity. Not that I'm sending people to Dr. Kandowe and thereafter I'm expecting you to come back to him. I was just telling you that we do have ishangane laseMalawi laphaya. And then if ufuna ukuya kulona, you go. If ungafuni futhi, it's not okay. Bengifuna sidlule ngoba lezi zinto lezi zizohlupha uma sizofuna ukuthi sibhebisithe abantu ngendlela eyisimanga. Yeah, ake sibuyene ke siyeke ukukhuluma izinto ezingenamsebenzi verse ezingasiza ezingasifakela imali. Ake siyingenele endlaleni. Le nto iloko igqilaza kanjena nje ayinakiwe. Angazi ukuthi ayizuzwakala kahle, but siyacela ukuthi komasipala abeke bayibhekisise. This video is not about entertainment. Abeke bayibhekisise. I'm not telling them what to do. I'm not a politician as well. I'm not canvassing for any position. But then, it has to be looked after. This country, so-called South Africa, it is a known country that to have problem with water. We cannot have a problem with water whereby abantu bedeliverwa amanzi ngama water can. You understand? And we still have people, I repeat, we cannot have people abadeliverwa amanzi ngama water can. Bakhe igubhu ezu4, bakhe igubhu ezu6. Isigubhu esodwa so20 liter, isigubhu esodwa so25 liter, barely so25 liters. Sivamise ukuba 20 liter, igubhu ezu5, 20 liter abawu5. Lo muntu unamanzi angakanani lo muntu lo? 20 liter abawu5. It gives us 100 liters of water. Lo muntu we expect lo muntu uthi asebenze 100 liters of water for period of 2 days. If kwenzeke period of 2 days. You understand? Ake siphumeni ke lapho ke. Size kubantu abanama Jojo tank emzini yabo. I-Jojo tank elayisha 5,000 liters of water. 5,000 liters of water. Hence you got a person othola amanzi awu100 liters of water. Lendo it may make sense kuwena, but we aging our political and no ndaba ezithe emakhaya ikibhekisiswe lento ukuthi izokwenziwa kanjani ukuthi wena ube no Jojo tank abawu2 abahabarisha 10,000 liters of water. Hence we got a family edla amanzi awu100 liters of water for 2 days. Wena ustorishe amanzi kamasipala awu10,000 liters. Asiyilungise futhi lento iyakuhlupha. Emzini wakho awuhlali khona, uhlala kuma suburb. Kulo muzi wakho kuhlala abantu abawu2 kuphela. Kulo mfana ongenisa inkomo omlande eSwazini, omlande leSuthu ukuthi azokulusa lenkomo. Uyena uhlalayo. Uhlala nalo mama lo owabalekelwa wabhidlikelwa indlu namanje umasipala wakamakheli wamthatha wathi ngoba akakakhelo akazohlala akugadele. Umnika imali nomnika u600 rand nawe uyamkhohlisa. Ibona kuphela abantu abasebenzisa amanzi awu10,000 liters. Wena uvakasha ngama special occasions emzini wakho lomkhulu. Iphasika uyaya. NgoJuni unako ukuyohlala 2 days. NgoDisemba unako ukuyohlala 3 days. Awudluli 3 days. Uyodla umhla ka20, uya ngomhla ka24, umhla ka25, umhla ka26. Ngomhla ka27 uyawushiya lo muzi, uyabuyela futhi esilungwini. Kodwa lapha ustorishe 10,000 liters of water. Sinabantu abangenawo amanzi at all. Abadeliverwa ngama water can. Acollecte umuntu less than 200 liters of water. Awusebenze 3 days, 2 days. wena una 10,000 liters of water. Into iyafuna ukuthi sike sibheke ukuthi kunakale kuphi okwenza ukuthi sibe so grossly negligent angaregulatewa le nto, ngoba you were supposed to ukuthi ondaba ezitha ayinduna emakhaya bayibukisisa kuhlala nondaba ukuthi indaba ezitha asikwazi ukuthi kulesigodi lesi esingenawo amanzi kangaka. Uma amanzi evulelwe kube khona umuntu ohabarisha 10,000 liters of water, amanzi ayabuya ngo-12 ebusuku, ngo-5 ekuseni anqamuka. Lo muntu kusukela ngo-12 ebusuku ustorisha amanzi emathangini awu2. The rest of izigodi zonke azinamanzi zilinda iVaterkan ukuthi ifike iVaterkan ngo-12 kuya ku2 inokuthi ifike kuphelile ke lapho. Kodwa thina sinabantu lento asiyiboni into ebidinga ukuthi iphinde ibukiswe kahle. Uma ngempela sizoqhubeka kanje kuzogcina yabona kade ngibuka one of the buildings i-rooftop yakhona inama jojo tank awu2, iflat elu 15 floors high. It's a residential building 15 floors high, ihlala inama flats njengoba ina 15 floors high, ama flats alapha more than 20 per floor. More than 20 per floor. Umuntu uyabheka ke more than 20 per floor, it tells us ukuthi ifloor eyodwa inemndeni ewu20 ehlalayo. Ewu20 ehlala, ewu20 uzofika u15 floors high, but bano jojo tank about 2. Wena unengenza ke ezu6 nemndeni wakhe no6. Nonke nihlala kusabha. Lapha nama tank awu4. I saw another house ngiyawe indawo emakhaya. Yayino jojo tank abo4. Bawuthula lapha. Uyayibuza ukuthi lo muntu onamanzi awu20,000 liters of water indawo yonke emakhaya ayinawo amanzi. Siyacela ukuthi ikibhekisiswe lento ukuthi kunini la wena odeclare fit ukuthi wena ungadla amanzi onke adengwa igodi ezu10. Ngoba mesikhuluma ngo10,000 liters wena onawo, ngibuze itruck lesuku ideliver amanzi ukuthi isuku ideliver amanzi abangakanani. Isuku ideliver plus or minus 10,000 liters of water, even less than that emphakathini. Wena amanzi akho wedwa lawo. Ezinye into ziyafuna ukuthi sizikhulume without nerve, singabe emotional, singasupport umuntu, kodwa sicela ukuthi omasipala bake bayibhekisise lento ukuthi ngempela if sisidinga amanzi izwe lethu njengamanje siya ku winter and imvula zobe ziscarcity ngendlela eyisimanga, and thereafter kuzoba i-water shedding, but kunabantu abanamanzi awo 10,000 liters awo 20,000 liters emzini yabo. This is Babu Dr. Boyces Bojabele. Angisho lento angibhekise kumuntu kodwa sibuka uqhashazwa kwamanzi abantu abathize abayi-elite. This is Babu Dr. Boyces Bojabele. So cela umasipala abasibhekisele ngoba uyasibuka isikole esinengane inqwaba sinamathanga awu2. Isikole esinengane inqwaba sinamathanga awu2. Uke wasibona isibhedlela wena sinamathanga awu10. Asikho. Kodwa kunemizi namathanga awu4. That is 20,000 liters of water. We need water. We must preserve water. We must share water because it's a national resource. Everybody must use water, must have water. But asisho ukuthi ubona unemali engconywana okuthenga amathanga awu2. Amathanga awabizi kakhulu ukuthi ungaze uhabarisha amanzi siwadinga, that carries a lot of value, and because imali liyana. This is Babu Dr. Boyces Bojabele. Yeah, ngafuna ukungena lana ke. Ufuna ke siprofileni ama-bank. Safuna ke siprofileni ama-bank. Banks that are used by abadokotela. Angisho ukuthi ama-banks that wena wasebenzisa, angisho ukuthi bengalibalanga ibank lakho, it does not mean ukuthi ibank lakho is worth nothing. Mina ngibala ama-bank that are used by ubaba udokotela. And then mase ngiwachaze futhi ukuthi leli lenzani, leli njani. Ngiprofile ama-bank awu5. Ibank lokuqala kuthiwa elisetshenziswa babudokotela, Al Baraka Bank. Lela banki li right kakhulu, but angizama ukuthola ukuthi imuphi umehluko wona lona nethala. Kukumina ngubona umehluko because ithala was very geographically in KZN. Ithala lali njalo, but leliyana ke libhekiswe kakhulu ukufeza injongo zamaSulumane kakhulukazi. Ngaya ke lapha ke i-disadvantage engayithola kulela bank awukwazi ukudeposit imali kwi-ATM yabo ngoba ayikho enye i-ATM aphandle kwekubona kuphela. They only got one ATM in their branch kuphela, hayi kwezinye indawo. Bathi uma uzodeposit rather use u-Absa ukudeposit imali, then emva kwalokho angazi kodwa kunesingisi esikhona esikhulunywa uyakwazi ukudeposit ku-ATM yase-Absa thereafter une-code. Angazi wenza njani kodwa kukhulu kunesingisi eside sikhona phakathi. Asize-ke ukuvula i-account. Mina bengivulela mina i-account, never just opening a savings account. It took plus or minus 45 minutes just ukuvula i-account eyodwa. Mina kuphela ngahlala ngaze ngakuhlungisa inqo. Khumbula umuntu engihamba naye emotweni waphuma wama ngaphandle wathi useyashisela emotweni kanti bejethi ngiyaphuma manje ngoba angiphumi mina ebank. But it's more than 40 minutes. Kunento abazothi fika approval. Leyo fika approval yabo iyawuthatha plus on 15 to 20 minutes, but basadinga basa verify i-address yakho. Ufika verify and that takes time. Lelo banki ke silibizwa ukuthi Albaraka Bank. Le right ke kwezinye izinto kuma loan le right kakhulu. Le right even udeposit imali khona bayabonga. Thank you for doing business with us. Okay, beautiful. But i-service yabo when it comes to opening an account funa wazi ukuthi lapha na uyeka zonke izinto obuzohlala 45 minutes. 30 minutes kodwa uzoqeda nje uzavulele i-account eyodwa wena kuphela. Wena kuphela uma kwenye indawo ufuna wazi ukuthi umusempangeni akike ibranch ozokwazi ukudeposit imali e-ATM, then uya in trouble, uya on your own. Kuzoba i-app yakhona. Ay Albaraka. Yeah, ake nisicabanga ukuthi ke bengifuna ukusho ukuthi abanama ama-ATMs kwezinye indawo basebenza rather use u-Absa. Ngazi bathi maybe ukuthi ngizosebenza angingani kuvula i-account ka-Absa nje straight. Why should I go past them wavesa imali ngiyisa ka-Absa meselithe kubona? Yeah, then comes to FNB, First National Bank in South Africa. That bank. That bank. Le bank into ehluke ngalo, they monetize your account. They monetize your account. They follow your account. They then intercept you. They call you. Would you like to tata account efana nale? Would you like ngathini you start from savings and bayikhulisa account yakho, uzufike la esibiza ukuthi we private wealth client yakhona. Bakhulisa and abantu bokuqala ngathi bengisebenza nabo, they offered me a credit card, they offered me bank overdraft, ngangayazi mina le nto leya. They offered all that. Ususebenza ke nabo ke. The beauty ngabo, I had a problem with my credit card. Ngithi ngiyakhokha ku tollgate ngavuma ukukhokha. The time was 5:30 ekuseni when I called, somebody answered and advised me that the lines are down, I must call at 8. At 8 o'clock, I called them again. This is not an advertising. I called them again and they asked for my business address because I could not access my app. I gave them my business address. I don't know what they did with my business address because address engibanika yona mina akuyona le abayibhale lapha bona. Akuyona la bayibhala, akazi babhala Dortmund lapha. Angazi leza ngani sabhala Dortmund lapha. Kodwa khona iyamasimba bayibhala lapha. Le ngayazi mina kusafuna uFNB angitshela ukuthi babhalani lapha ngoba nakhuluma nabo lemi engilaziyo. Kudoti kunababhala ngoba i-address yami ithi Nedbank House Building 19th floor 1904 to 1905 30 Albert Street, that is Durban, 4,000 rand. Uma ngisho la address bathi abayazi angisho enye ngithi mina ngizoyithatha apha enye kophela amabhizinisi ngaregister ngalo address mina i-lease agreement yami ise Nedbank, it tells that. And then balapho ke abenzike kahle angazi ubabhalani khona. But when it comes to growing you, they're very good. Mase kuzoba ke credit card department yakhona abenzi kahle. Because when I was going to Malawi, I firstly make an arrangement with them. Everything was smooth. When I landed in Malawi, card was not working. How's that? The card was not working. Okusho ukuthi kokunye ba right kakhulu, but when it comes to credit card division yakhona, it sucks. Literally sucks. Because akuyona into esiyilindele thina leyana. Akuyona into esiyilindele. Leya ukuthi uzothi usufike ku-international borders usuyaswipe ikhadi alisasebenzi. What if I had only one credit card? Asasebenzi. Leya nto ke ngizocabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe baka FNB they will get this copy, definitely they'll get this copy, and then card division they have to do something else because there was no way that I could call my bank. My bank ungithanda kakhulu ukuthi for into nonsense. Yabo. This must be known ukuthi i-card division yabo, credit card division yabo, it sucks. Nedbank, wow, that's my girlfriend. Nedbank, that's my girlfriend actually. I'm loving Nedbank like a strawberry. They bought me a car, a GWM 2025 model. It was financed by Nedbank. I was so worried that Nedbank financing me, coming with old attitude, teaching me when to sleep and what to eat. So not knowing what I'm getting my new mother. That is Nedbank. Nedbank. Uma i-debit yakhona ifuna umhla ka-31 ungumgqibelo edebitha ngawo, they make you and allow an arrangement ukuthi will you want to arrange any date ngoba umhla ka-30 ungumgqibelo ungesunday uthi ngakwazi ukudebitha ngolwesihlanu. You make that arrangement and they accord it, and after debiting they'll send you an email and a WhatsApp thanking you for paying, thanking you, and then uma uyehla ilo interest rate, they send you an SMS, an email telling you that imali obuyikhokha isizokwehla ngenxa ukuthi interest rate yehlile. Nangempela I was paying like 16,000 for that car. Now I'm paying 14,000 for that car. Ngingazibuza ukuthi hawu imoto ebiza ngayo babudokotela. No, imoto ebengihamba ngayo bekuyi GWM 2024 model, ngihambe ngayo only 1 year. Ngayiphindisa ngathatha u2025. Thereafter kube ne carry over yaloko ukuthi ngoba le moto engakaqedi bese ukhokhela ngenza ukuthi ninathu ukuthi unamanga ikwazi ukuthi GWM iChina lonke libe u14,000 because of that. Yeah, then ke ba right ke mase kuzothi uNedbank lana awu nonsense khona ke. They called me many times bethi angithatha ikhadi lakho na bla 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 ngilonge reject. Okay, finally ngagcina ngivumileke. Ngathi okay fine ngizolithatha. Base bathi ke where would you like a card to be delivered to your office or you going to go to the branch? Ngathi mina office angithandi ngoba ngumuntu up and down. Bazofika ngesikhathi mina ngekho ngase yabo ukuthi izoba umsangano. Ngalolu ndlela ngicela ukuthi lihanjiswe branchini. Babuza kuyiphi branch? Ngathi Nedbank in Albert Street, Durban. Because mina ngiku Albert Street, number 30 Albert Street. Surely me ku Albert Street, as long as Albert Street, ngizojoba umgaqo wodwa Victoria City sengiku Albert Street. How's that? That is close, but okay, fine. Waphinde wayifunda i-address we-confirm, say-confirm, okay, it's fine. When sengolanda i-card, number one, the branch was so small. It was a cell phone shop. It was so small. We are all breathing to each other. Believe you me, I'm a businessman. I felt so embarrassed to sit like that. This woman seated right here, breathing on top of me. This guy, I can hear that, I can smell breathing is alcohol, if it's alcohol or so, but we were four facing each other. And then I said, why we are so cramped like this? First, what am I doing here? Aircon wise, aircon right. If fan, it was a Chinese fan, small one, not even running properly. That's what I found at Nedbank. I'm not wrong. That is what I found at Nedbank. The space is so small. They cram people together as if we are here to buy cell phones or something, or fix cell phones, or buy fish and wings or something. That is, I didn't like it about it. That is Nedbank. Okay. I was finally helped by a lady. She was so kind. Believe me, she was so kind. And then she only wasted my time telling me that I must thumb this nail, thumb this finger, thumb this. Okay, fine. At the end of the day, she said to me, the card is not here. How's that? The card is not here. You go to Wall Street, 320 building, you'll find your card there. I'm in Nedbank. I have to go to Wall Street now. There is no parking there. There is no parking there. I have to walk back to that bank now. I cross. Now I have to find people to protect me because people were tapping on me, wanting to touch me, all those things. Okay, fine. I had people who were guarding me in order to protect me from those people. Okay, fine. When I get at Nedbank, oh my goodness, what an embarrassing thing. When I get to that branch, there were only 3 people there. And then I was number 4. I said, okay, it's fine. It's not full. Okay. When I was number 4, and then the security guy came and approached and politely greeted us and said, oh, I'm sorry. The queue starts from West Street. Actually, outside on West Street. I said, this is a bus stop, that thing. People are waiting for the bus. They said, no, they're not waiting for the bus. They're like 30 waiting to come here. I said, I'm not doing that. Number 1, I'm a businessman. I'm a private client with Standard Bank and FNB. You are not going to make me stand outside, expose myself, embarrass myself because I'm begging a card from Nedbank. Nedbank must come with a different attitude and respect to their customers or to their client. There is no way they can allow people to stand outside by the bus stop on West Street waiting to enter their legal branch. Nedbank must do something about it. I decided to abort that card completely. I'm waiting for Nedbank to tell me what is wrong with that card because I'm not going to fetch it. I am not going to fetch it. I'm a businessman. I don't want anyone to treat me like a layman, like a peasant. I'm not a beggar. I'm a businessman. I'm carrying a business account. I respect everybody and I also want people to respect me, to treat me as a business person. I am not going to stand outside by the bike stop, West Street. What if I get attacked, get robbed, and exposing myself because I'm waiting for Nedbank to give me their card? I am bringing business to Nedbank. I've got staff members who are going to be paid their salaries through Nedbank. Now I am standing outside as a business person. They knew very well that I'm a business practitioner, but they still tolerate us to be embarrassed. That is Nedbank. When it comes to that sucks. That sucks. That is Nedbank. Come to Standard Bank. Standard Bank is like my mother-in-law. Standard Bank is like my mother-in-law. It's a person that has big breasts, big arms, just carries you, cuddle you. Whatever they to do, Nedbank, Standard Bank will be always there. I've been in Qatar, Standard Bank was there. I've been in Ethiopia, Standard Bank was there. I've been in SD Swaziland, Standard Bank was there. Mozambique, Standard Bank was there. Lesotho, Standard Bank was there. Malawi, Standard Bank was there. India, Standard Bank was there. He has never studied how to embarrass me. They don't know how to embarrass me. That is Standard Bank. They gave me the credit. Do I have the credit card? Yeah, they gave me the credit card. They gave me the, what do you call? Hey, it is in English. Oh, overdraft. Yeah, they gave me overdraft. They increased my card to Standard Bank Fusion. Now I've got a banker that deals with me directly. I don't have to go to the branch. I don't have to go and stand on West Street and get embarrassed by people spitting on me, looking at me, shooting me, making podcasts. They, Babu Tawatela, stranded on the road, pretending as if he's going to the bank now. Standard Bank doesn't do that. Standard Bank does not do that. Standard Bank, when it comes to Standard Bank, it's just a roll-on. Just, if you want to be happy, you really want to explode, start to think about venturing to Standard Bank. Yeah, venturing to Standard Bank. Comes to this thing. Insurance that we normally take. Life cover, funeral policy. Funeral policy with Standard Bank, it is low compared to FNB. FNB, the maximum is 300,000. I took a funeral cover of 300,000 FNB. But when I get to Standard Bank, their funeral covers, they end up to 200,000. 200,000. You understand? For that is low. That is what? Oh, that is low. How you spell that low? L-O-W? Oh, Nazoke. You don't spell low like that. L-O, not L-A-W. That is low, not low. Yeah. Okay, I took one for 200 rand. Yeah. But I took something serious. Not, angizange ngithathe phela la 200 rand. La 200,000. I took something serious. In case anything happened to this daddy, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, and when it comes to their policy, life cover, it sucks. I didn't like it. Comes to Capitec. Capitec, it is a mainstream account. Mainstream. If you want to do business with rich people, medium, working class, everybody, and then you go for Capitec. There is little that I can say about Capitec beside it is just very good when it comes to their Capital Connect. Yes. I've got all my phones with Capital Connect. All my phones. Currently, I'm carrying 1, 2, 3. I'm carrying 3 phones here. You understand? My wife has 1 phone. That's 4th phone with Capital Connect. And my 10th floor has Capital Connect. 19th floor has Capital Connect. How many phones are there? That is Capitec. When it comes to Capital Connect, they're just doing absolutely well. Absolutely. Capitec, it's okay. Okunye-ke esikuthandayo ngabo ile nto ukuthi basi-extendele isikhathi. Uya noma ngasikhathi sine ebranchini yabo, 5 o'clock uyaya. FNB does that now. That is beautiful about it. Awunayo headache yokuthi i-app yakhona uma u-installa manje ifakwe ifoni sekufuze uye ebranchini uyokwenza ukuthi. No, Capitec wins all that. Ukushuthi Capitec isimnika more points compared to anyone else. But the best of best, it's one that says it's like my mother. It is my FNB. It is my Standard Bank. I'm loving those banks actually. They're taking care of Babu Dokotela. This is Babu Dokotela. Yeah, that's Pumile Banking manje. Ngikuphathele umabhebeza kunento engiyiphethe lapha umuntu uma enemali right isebhakedeni siyiphehla sitshele uma unemali uhamba nayo ufike ekhaya uyidlisa ushukela brown umusu uthola u5 rand coin uthola iduwele emhlophe wenze lento yakhona umabhebeza does what you want. Yes, umabhebeza kodwa ke umabhebeza ke she comes with a mommy spirit. She's a genie. There are jinn, a male jinn, a female jinn is genie. J-I-N-N-Y. Genie is a female jinn. Meaning that umabhebeza if umthatha uyindoda, ufike ekhaya fika umbike. Ukuthi nangu mama walele ekhaya wena uyena mama lekhaya sizocela ekhaya usenzisa ukuthi uma usucele nomama naye ukuthi akabambe ngapha naye abambe ngapha mase yasho ukuthi lekhaya sizocela amabhebeza usize ngokuthi sifuna imoto sifuna imize nama swimming pool sifuna imize roof ama tiles sifuna ukuthi usiyawuthatha kumabhebeza akhe sebenza umabhebeza olufuna igazi umabhebeza uyachela ke ngawo uyageza ngawo uyachela ngawo uyageza ngawo ufakela ushukela ufakelani ushukela umabhebeza ke lo yebo salukwazi uma uzohamba nawo usuku 12,000 if ungezohamba nawo usuke nje uzosizwa la ekhaya kuphela usizo umusehamba ushiyeke futhi kodwa umuthi hayi babudodela ngiyafuna ukuma nawo le ntokazi le ngifuna ukuhamba nawo sesobe sesikwenzela ka amasiko akhona ukuthi uma uzohamba amabhebeza nansi into yenziwayo sekunika ithini iduke sithola u5 rand ufuna u5 rand lo ngathi unento egolide la uma ungathola lo mhlophe lo 5 rand lo onekhanda laMandela uwinile iKruger rand hayi retirement umthola iKruger rand retirement ya umabhebeza ke lo yonke kodwa ke umabhebeza ke sekuvezela asibathwalisa abantu ngaliyanto bakithi ngoba zonke izinto kunina sezaba isithwalo mabebeza ke sonikeza umuntu ngo12,000 umetha kana u12,000 kodwa uzosizwa nje ngawo uzosizwe ushiye uhambe uyophinda futhi nabanye baphinde basizwe ngawo. Kunento engifuna siyikhulumeni lana. This is important. Ukuthi we are working together. That doesn't mean ukuthi siyandawonye nawo. Asihambe nawo. Siyahambisana. Kunabantu empilweni othi ngoba wenza izinto bacabanga ukuthi uzenzela bona. Kunabantu empilweni abazi ukuthi ngoba bayakwazi bayitshela ukuthi ngwakubo. Ukuthi wena uyangazi ukuthi ngikhulele ngikhelwe kuphi ngakhula nobani akusho ukuthi wasekhaya. Engisho ukuthi ke funa ubheke abantu ohamba nabo. Wena oyitshela ukuthi uhamba nabo. Lapha beya khona wena ngeke uzuye uzofika unendawo la uzofika usala ngoba lezi zinto bona sebezenzile abantu wena wakazenzi. Singahambisana nawe but mina into esengidlule kuyona kunendawo la uzofika wena usale khona. It happened one day when I was in Ethiopia. I was talking to another lady. She was from Canada. Salinda ngesilindi ibhanoyi saxoxa. It was so nice. Mama nje usemdala, very intelligent woman. But sasinaye ebhanoyini. Sesofuze singene vele ukuthi yena uya ku first class. Awukho first class lapha. Uya ku business class. Abantu baphambi bathi first class, business class, akona first class. Uya ku business class, thina siya ku economy class. Ngisho ukuhamba nabantu funa wazi ukuthi kunezinto sebedlule kuzona. When you always walk with these people but abakutshela ukuthi sebedlule kuphi. And the after uzobona usala mase kuthiwa abantu kade uhamba nabo basalephi. Kanti kunezinto abantu kade bezenza. They are not telling you. Kunesikhathi la othi uma usufika kokuphoqa ukuthi sale emotweni because wena ukwazi ukuya lapha better in the car yonke into uzoyilethelwa esemotweni lo muntu uyalapha kuya VIP when you are not a VIP. Ngisho ukuthi lezi zinto ezofuze sizifundise zona ukuthi ukuhamba nabantu nihambisana anindawonye ningagcina ukuhambisana kodwa anindawonye khona bona la bakhona ngoba khona la sebedlule khona that warrants them ukuthi baye lapha yana. Bakithi angeke ngingene la. Nginikhandele into esibiza ukuthi uvala amazibuko. Uvala amazibuko I don't want an abuse. Uvala amazibuko uhlukene izigaba kuyana ukuthi into ishube kanjani. Nginovala amazibuko ngizosho nje omncane ka 3,000 rand whereby bekujahela imoto befuna ukuyithatha. Whereby ujahela imoto kanti le moto ushaya ngazi staff seimoto. Ushaya istaff sengane nesabasebenzi. Leyo moto leyo ukwazi ukuthi usheshe uyidedele. Kodwa vese kunemali owazi ukuthi kunemali efuna uclear isheka. Meya clear isheka le mali uzohamba uyikhokhela imoto yonke ibhali yabe iphelele. Kodwa cannot staff ngidedele le moto bangithi kunemali engiyilindile esingase iphume noma yini. Lapho ke sisebenzisa into esibiza uvala amazibuko. Uvala amazibuko mase izowakha kahle. Uhlwena kathathu vala amazibuko. Lo engiwushoyo ufuna isibindi senkomo. Uthola isibindi senkomo ubasa umlilo uma usufaka uvala amazibuko. Umusu usiyakhuluma lento oyifunayo umusu usiyakhuluma lento oyifunayo khulume lento oyifunayo othi uyifuna wena. That is uvala amazibuko. Mase ke uvala amazibuko ke umusu ukukhulumele yonke into oyifunayo ungithengele a padlock that is big padlock. Lana sifuna ukuvala umuntu ozokuphuca into ephilisa ingane zakho. Siyamvala manje. Truck leyo izosebenza bazothukuma kancane. Bazothukuma thilona uzobe nemali. Angisho ukuthi ungakhokha. Hamba ukhokha if usuna 3 to 6 months bazoma. Thilona kuze kuphume le mali uhamba yokhokha. Usuthola ipadlock, usuthola indwangu okuzile eminyama, usuthola isiduli. Usuyahamba uyophalazela kusona. Ipadlock lana uzoyivula kanje uphalaza uyiphethe kanje. Uthi ngithi le moto ayindawo, le moto ngiphila ngayo. Bonke abantu abafuna le moto ngithi abame. Musu usiyayivala le ngidi uyifake laphakathi uphalaza kuyona futhi ngesikhathi uphalaza ufuna uphalaza uyibambile ukhuluma musu uyayivala uthi uthatha indwangu eminyama ufake ngaphezulu uqhubeka uphalaze la ubavale le moto zothi musu usunemali uhambe uyikhokhela uvala amazibuko loyo bese kuzoba khona uvala amazibuko la kukumbi sengase ngasolala eminyango sengase bakhiphe bafika manje nakusasa loyo ke uvala amazibuko uhlukileke wona ke ufuna ukuthi uwenze you understand ufuna ukuthi uwenze mase uyobheka indawo uyabiza lo umusi uyobheka indawo la kuvamise ukuthoiletha nje abantu bashiya kanjalo ufike uvala amazibuko lona ke uwenze lapho ke uyatshelwa ukuthi uzowenza kanjani lapho ke kodwa akube amakakaka womunye umuntu haya wakho akube omunye umuntu ongamazi ongakazi umbone futhi musu usuyawenza ke mase uvala amazibuko loyo uvala amazibuko mase kuzothi owesithathu nokugcina expensive kakhulu wona ke loyana ufuna uthole inkukhu eminyama umese ubhala igama lale company ekulandelayo ulibhale umusi inkukhu uyayisika la iphila ushutheke lephepha inomuthi ushutheke nomuthi umusi uyayivula inkukhu la yokhamisisa uyifake la umusi umba ethuna uyigqibe ethuneni iphila that is esinye isigaba ke sikavala amazibuko uhlwene kathathu mina lo engizokunika wona awuyenzi lo ulona ka 3000 rand ozowenza ekhaya ngesibindi senkomo uwenze kuvala amazibuko uwenze uvala amazibuko uhambe lapha esidulweni ufike isidulu sibhoboze uphathe ingidi ufike uwenze futhi uvala amazibuko asibavale ngeke udlelwe imoto ngeke ukhishwe fletini ngeke ukhishwe emzini wakho ukhona umuthi this is Baba Dokotela fana umhlenje ekhehla mlungu thuru siyabonga.